What is up, everybody out there on YouTube? This is MGR Rideshare, and we just started a new Rideshare channel, which mainly we're going to be posting tips and tricks about your car, safety things, and whatnot, and potentially some ride-along DoorDash streams. Sorry about that. Anyway, in this box right here is a new Dashcam I got, and actually I'm participating in this Rideshare drivers program called Rideshare Drivers Try Bosch Ridecare Companion for free. And this is a 3-month program, pretty much adding in new safety features and trying to make your driving safe for Uber or Lyft. And actually, you are required to be an Uber or Lyft driver. You have to be an active driver. So pretty much it gives you info. I'll actually leave a link about this in the description. I'm not sure if they're releasing any more at this point, but like I said, I'll leave a link in the description. You can see all the information about it, and hopefully it will help enhance your safety for rideshare. So that's that. So we're ready to go ahead and unbox this box, and we're actually sitting in my car right now and virtually getting ready to unbox this. Now do keep in mind, like I said, gotta be a rideshare driver. So let's go ahead and open this up. Let's see here. Sorry about that. I had to find a way to open this, but we finally got it open. And I'm trying my best to do everything with one hand. So here we go. We got it right here. They bubble wrapped it pretty well. So here it is. There's the dash cam. It's going to come with hopefully everything inside. If not, the rest will be in the box. Comes with this. Pretty much you can leave your feedback and get some information. And also, after the 3-month period is over, they give you a prepackaged label, prepaid label, sorry about that, in the package. So that's that, and I'm not sure what, I guess this is a tool to help price stuff out. So let's go ahead and unbox this damn thing. And I'm so unprepared, I gotta do everything by myself. So let's go ahead and open this up. And there it is. We had a little trouble opening this. So it's gonna come with this, which is pretty much an instruction, hopefully how to set it up. If not, you can use one of their locations to schedule an appointment. But here we go. Let's get everything out. Holy Jesus, that's a heavy dash cam. That's heavy. I don't know why they do it like that. So how this works. So I believe this one faces oh no, this side. This side faces the inside. And the other side faces the outside. Okay. Makes sense. What else we got in here? More paperwork. User manual. And then all the other stuff you're going to need to put it on your windshield. That's... I think that might be it. Also comes with this. If I can get this out. That's an SOS feature. That's awesome to have. It also comes with whatever this... Oh, these are the little... Okay. Perfect. Okay, yeah. So these will go on the side of the windshields. Surface cleaner. Gonna need that. And then pretty much comes with this, which we don't even need. Well, we're going to need it now. Unless they have another tool I can use. What kind of plug is this? Oh, okay. So I'm just going to have to figure out how to make this thing work. And then a little stuff to stick the cables on the thing. But enough of that. We're going to go ahead and we're going to use my other phone Sorry about the cluttering mess of myself. So scan this QR code to start the step-by-step installation. So we're going to go ahead and unlock my phone, and we're going to actually loading up my camera. If my notifications could go away, so we're going to go into the Google Lens feature, and then we're going to go ahead and there it is. That. Okay, there we go. It's going to load up. And then it's going to enter my information. Alright, so now it logs into this, and it says, we switched to an automatic detection of rides. From now on, you don't need to start/end your rides manually. Therefore, the start/end ride buttons are no longer displayed. Okay. So we just pretty much set up device. Welcome to the Bosch Ridecare service. Hi, I'm the new Bosch companion. Camera will come to you during your ride. Okay. Take your new device to your car. We're obviously in my car. Process will take about 20 minutes, but we're not going to go over the whole thing. We're just going to go through a summary of stuff. Pretty much gives you details of what's in the box. And actually, I love that feature. I could probably put that in a little spot where I could be able to alert Bosch to be able to get help silently. So it's pretty much like a silent alarm. That's awesome. And then it comes with a welcome card, obviously. That mounting bracket, power cable, power bracket, and a plastic tool, and a user manual. So let's go ahead. Understanding safety warnings. I'm not going to go through the whole thing. Okay. Add device to my account, approximately 1 minute. Scan the QR code on the device. That's the QR code, okay. So, I'm not going to show you this whole thing. We're just going to... Let me scan this right quick so I can get this done. Okay, so unfortunately I could not scan the QR code. It was pretty small, so I ended up entering everything manually. And just pretty much enter your vehicle's brand and model. I had to put my finger right here to hide the license plate, because I don't want it on YouTube, but you'll see it on the Rideshare app when I pick up your ride. Or pick up you or whoever. Okay, so that's step done. So we're going to go ahead and mount device. Approximately 5 minutes. Mount on the windshield, yes. And pretty much it's going to give me a step-by-step guide. So I'm going to go ahead and do this, and then we'll show you from there. Okay, so I got it set up. It's plugged in and it's powering on. Now it says device is setting up, could take approximately 3 minutes. So while we wait for this to boot up, do what it's got to do. Oh, that's awesome right there. But yeah, it'll take about a few minutes, and then we'll see how it goes from there. Nope, there we go. It says device connected successfully. So let's go next. Clean the area to the right of the rear view mirror with an alcohol wipe. Wait until everything is dry. Do I want it right by the mirror? What do you guys think? Should I don't know, because I have my sun pass right there. We'll just go ahead and just do it through the steps. Well, actually, no, I'm going to have it in the center. That's what I'm going to do. Okay, so I got it a little bit where I don't want it to be, but it's okay. I'm just going to deal with it for now. It should be able to do it. Now, it's telling me to put it like right here. Right up here, but my sun pass is right there, and I prefer it right here where I can get a full view of the back and a full view of the front. So that's that step. Test camera view. Let's see. Checking interior. Okay, that's perfect. Actually, that is perfect right there. So let's go ahead and take this film off. That's the satisfying part. So yeah. Now checking exterior camera. And I forgot to take that film off. I'll have to deal with that later, but that's a good thing. Accept position. Okay, so got that. Pair wireless button. Okay, it's blinking blue. Wait. This button? Okay, pairing successful. So that's good. Next one, wireless button installation. Now this is going to be the interesting part right here. Remove the protection film from the adhesive pad to the back of the button. Attach the wireless button in a discrete place so you can easily reach in case in need. Example on the driver's door. So we can put it like somewhere like right in here. Like maybe here or something, but I actually want it somewhere down here. So that way it's still kind of discreet, you can't see it well, and I can still be able to reach it. So that's going to be the perfect spot right down there. And without touching the button, I put it right there. So we're going to go ahead and hit done. And then device removal. We're not going to do that right now, but we're going to look through it. First, apply heat with a hair dryer. I don't have one. So that's all that. Alright. So I think we're all set. So let's go ahead and remove the rest of the film. Like that. And I know there's another one on the back. I'm going to have to take that out just to get to it. So never mind. There is no film. But I got the other two out, so let's go ahead. Went ahead to reinstall it. And it looks like that is it. The process is complete. And then place cable. Wait, hang on. There's another thing. Oh, okay. Yeah, okay. So pretty much the same way how I did it last time. Just through there and then that. And we're fully success and registered, so I guess we're all set. Alright. That is that. We're all set. And it pretty much provides a video on how to use it. Get rid of that. Download the driver's portal. Okay, so... Okay, let's open that. Device online. To activate your rideshare companion, please start the shift. Oh, okay. Okay, I get it now. So I have to save this and just hit start shift. So it says device online, camera not recording. So if I were to do that, what's it gonna do? So that's that. Companion is active. And then you can... Okay, so it's going to show like that. So now it's recording. It's recording everything, including audio and stuff. If I remember correctly. Okay, so we can just go ahead and hit end shift. And we're doing this just as a test run. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and save this to the home screen. I thought there would be an app for it. Okay, so I just did that. So which means it's turning off. Alright. And we'll do another double check with the camera view because that part was very satisfying. Yeah, see? Now it's going to show the inside. It's just so weird how this thing works like that. And then shows the outside. So that's awesome. I like it. Go back. Okay, device online. Yeah. Alright, so let's go ahead and look through this. We already did the setup. There's notifications, support, ride incidents. There's no incidents, obviously. Data protection notice, legal notice, and all that. Blah, blah, blah. Change device, profile, log out, notification. And that's that. So if anything new comes up and I want to show other things about the video or actually post other things, especially when it comes to dealing with bullshit cars on the road, and there might be a chance I may be able to relocate this. I'm not sure yet, but we'll see. So that's that. Camera's all set. We're ready to go hit the road when I'm able to. I'm actually kind of tired. I just got out of work from Amazon, so we're gonna end it from here. And please leave in the comments below what you think, and if you plan to join the program, I'll leave some links in the description below for you to get some information. So that is that. This is MGR Rideshare signing out.